So you discovered Liivo and you're excited to give it a try. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set it up with Codex. So let's jump right into it. So the first step you have to do is install Codex if you haven't already. You can find it on the Microsoft Store if you're on the PC. Otherwise on the Mac, you can just go to the Codex website. So the first step you need to do is go to Settings and click on, once again, Settings. Here you have MCP servers, and that's the way Liivo communicates with Codex. And we have to add a server. And it's important that you click on the streamable HTTP. And here you will give it a name. Let's call it Liivo. And then you will have to add a URL. And this you can easily find on the Liivo homepage. So let's jump over here, connect your AI, and go to instructions, and you will find it here. And let's jump back. Okay, we're back. So let's paste it here. We got it, http://myliivo.ai/mcp. And the next step is to save it. So now you have saved it, but there's one more step we have to do. We have to authenticate, which will pop up here. When you click on Authenticate, it will take you to the Liivo website where you will log in. I recommend using either Google or Apple or GitHub to log in. It's a little bit simpler. But for now, let's just do it with the email. And when you continue, it sends you a verification email that you will paste. So and then you log in. And then you choose, if you have multiple teams, which I have, you choose one of them. In your case, you probably just click allow. So I will choose this team. Click allow, and now I'm connected. So let's go back to Codex. Okay, now the Authenticate is gone, and we go back to the app. So to make sure that it's working, let's create a simple to-do app. Create me a simple to-do app and store it on Liivo. And let's click enter. And this might take a few moments to create the app, but you can see it's thinking. And if for some reason it wouldn't work, try restarting Codex. That could fix it. And another option, if you want, you can ask Codex to install Node so you can run your projects locally. But it's fine if you don't. It's going to end up on the web anyways. But if you want to do some experiments before setting it up, it might be a good idea. And the great thing about Liivo is that you don't have to have other connections such as GitHub and such to get it working. It will store it all on OSC. Just approve on any prompt if you want. Great, so now it's done, and you can see it has already given me a link, and this will be the live site. There's another few things on the computer, but this is the link that matters. So let's click on it. And as you see, I have my to-do list. To do one. And to make sure it's working, let's reload the page. Perfect. So this is probably one of the more basic examples of what you can do with Liivo. You probably have your own app idea that you want to create. So get started building your idea with Liivo.